track 1055 eastbound train number 112 to New York, making stops at New York. Please stand back from the yellow line and please watch the gap while boarding the train.
We are in Point State Park in Pittsburgh.
And we're starting our gap ride.
For our 340-mile ride ahead of us. Woohoo! So we are the start of day 2. We did 62 miles yesterday.
0.58.
0.58. I was a little hurting by the end of yesterday, but feeling better this morning. So we're ready for 45 miles today.
Hi! We finally made it to Towpath, home of the Youghiogheny River. Right here is the Towpath Falls, which can be run legally now. And down there is the put-in. This is an absolutely incredible class 3 to 4 section of river. It's about 9 miles with a whole bunch of challenging rapids. It's awesome for kayaking, rafting, and ducking.
So we're about to start day 3. We are in Rockwood, stayed at a cute little bed and breakfast, and we only have about 30 miles today. And today we'll be hitting the Eastern Continental Divide, the tallest point. So we'll be still going up, but then we'll have finally downhill. There is a thunderstorm coming this afternoon, so we're hoping to leave a little bit early and hit it before the storms come. We'll also be hitting the passageway. What is it called, Jeff? We'll also be hitting the Big Savage Tunnel, which is almost a mile long, so that will be fun. I was like, you're seriously bringing a saw with you on our bike ride?
Yes. It is downhill to Frostburg and milkshakes from here.
Woohoo!
Good morning, everyone. Today is the start of day 4. We're leaving the absolutely amazing Youghiogheny Trail House here in Frostburg for day 4.
Yeah, we got here yesterday just in time before the rain, and it's still a little bit rainy here, but I think it should lighten up as we go. We have 70 miles today.
Or 75.
It's a longer day, so maybe crying at the end.
Good morning.
We are now leaving Hancock. We came here yesterday night or evening after not a 70-mile ride.
But a 78-mile ride.
Yes, but we did it. It was good.
And we had dinner at Buddy Lou's Antiques and awesomeness.
And today we have, I think, is it 50?
Or 60.
Going to Harper's Harper's Ferry. Well, we'll spend 2 nights, so we'll have some rest tomorrow.
Woohoo! Good morning, everyone.
So we had 5 days of biking, and today is our rest day in Harper's Ferry.
So today we're hiking the Appalachian Trail.
Yeah, we are. Yesterday was a challenging day, to say the least.
It was 68 miles. It was way harder than 78 miles.
So we are planning to go to coffee shops and relax and have a fun day. And our cousins are joining us for dinner tonight.
And we're hiking the AT. Good morning, everyone. We're in scenic Harper's Ferry on the 7th day of our journey.
And we had a wonderful rest day yesterday and spent the day walking around this town, looking at museums and going on little hikes, and it was beautiful. And we had some cousins join us for dinner with Uncle Lou.
Woohoo!
And Marlene and Steve are joining us for the last leg. Woo! 60 miles.
Yipper.
Then we'll be done. Woo! So we are getting closer to the end, and I'm so excited. And so I've been thinking about all the things you have to do to prepare for a trip like this. The things like the right bike for you, the equipment, the things for the bike, the clothing, the food, the hydration, the tools to maintain and fix the bike along the way, the know-how to use the tools, and then the lodging and where you're going to stay and how many miles between the sites, and so many different logistics and organization you have to do to prepare for a trip like this. And so there's a few different, approaches, and my approach to figuring all this out may not work for everyone, but what I have done, I married this guy.
Good morning, everyone.
So this is our last day. We are in DC, downtown DC, and we're gonna head to a coffee shop and ride around town a little bit and head to Amtrak and back to Jersey.
Woohoo!